So, are you in the UK working hard but feeling like your career is stuck in first gear? So maybe you've come from Nigeria, Ghana, or somewhere else in Africa. You were full of ambition, but like most people, you now find yourself jumping between jobs in care, security, or hospitality. All this while knowing that you've got so much more to give. And for too long, most of us have been sold this story. Without a UK degree, you can't get a high paying professional job. And I was told the same. And that can leave you feeling quite trapped when you're in the UK. Because deep down, you know you've got real world experience. You can talk to anyone. You solve problems. You're Niger or African. You get things done. But this system, it often feels like it's built to just ignore all that. Well, today, we're going to be challenging that idea. And I have spent weeks digging through job sites and salary data to find roles where these practical skills you have are the key to a great salary. In this video, I will show you 7 of these jobs and the exact steps you can take to get your foot in the door. Stick with me till the end because the last one is actually the most surprising and actually to me the most lucrative. So let's dive right in. So the first job is a job that sounds more technical than it really is. It's called the compliance officer. A compliance officer is basically the person who makes sure a company plays by the rules, and every industry, banking, healthcare, finance, they all have laws that they must follow. So what's your job? Be that guide who keeps them out of legal trouble. A trainee role starts around 25,000, but experienced officers in London can earn up to 55 to 60,000 pounds a year, especially if you are in finance or all those risk industries. And here's the thing, you don't need a degree, because most employers want people with an eye for detail, strong ethics, and always great communication skills. So if you want an edge though, I think you should check out the International Compliance Association. Start with their ICA certification in compliance. It's affordable, it's entry level, and you can study while doing your job right now. So go to a search, Google, search compliance administrator or trainee compliance officer. And even some companies, they will train you and even pay for those ICA qualifications once they see your potential. Secondly, a role that is all about people and community is the housing manager role. Some call it housing officer or neighborhood manager. And what you do is you help tenants with their tenancies. You make real money in this role when you move into management positions. So when you're overseeing budgets and properties and teams. Starting salary is normally around 30 grand, but managers earn from 60 grand or more, especially if you're working with a large housing association. So if you're good with people and can handle tricky situations calmly, you're already halfway there. To boost your CV, I would suggest look into the Chartered Institute of Housing and their level 2 or level 3 certificate in housing practice. Shows that you're serious and that you're ready to grow, so try and get it. For jobs, search housing assistant or housing officer, and most local councils or housing associations have jobs like that. Once you manage to get in, there's a path to senior roles. So the third role on my list is procurement and contracts manager. This role sounds fancy, but here is what it really means. Procurement is just buying supplies, services, and making sure your company gets the best deal. You could start as a procurement assistant earning around 28,000 pounds a month, move up to procurement manager, and these people earn around 49 to 59,000 a year. And you don't need a degree in this role. For this, you need to be commercially sharp and a really good negotiator. If you can manage a household budget in this country, negotiate prices, or find smart ways to save, you already have the procurement mindset. To add credibility, you can do the CIPS Level 2 certificate, and it is from the Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply. It is really respected and it is affordable. So search procurement assistant or junior buyer roles and again, many companies sponsor you more training once you are in their company. So, okay, we're halfway through. If you're getting value so far and your brain is already buzzing with ideas, do me a quick favor. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This really helps more people like you find the info that I give. And also in the comments, just drop me a line. Which of these jobs sounds most interesting to you and which would you consider? Okay, so let's keep going. Number 4 for me is the cybersecurity analyst role. This field is booming right now, especially with the rise of AI. Think of it like being a digital bodyguard. You're protecting the companies from hackers and any online threats. Trainees usually start from around £30,000, but with a few years experience and the right certifications, you can actually hit £55,000 easily. And the really senior roles go beyond £70,000 a year. You don't need a degree, you need a logical thinking and curiosity. If you want to have a certification, go for the CompTIA Security Plus, which is the industry standard charter, or the certification in cybersecurity. All these are affordable and respected. For jobs, look for cybersecurity apprenticeship. There are quite a lot of roles. It's a future-proof field and demand can only keep rising. Okay, jump number 5. This is one that most people don't even know exists. Senior Complaints Investigator. So, when a customer has a serious issue, like with a bank or an energy company or their housing association, it gets passed to an investigator when they make a complaint. Your job is to be impartial. You gather evidence, you talk to people, and you make a fair decision. With the tightening of laws around housing and the introduction of the tenant satisfaction measures, there is now a real demand for this role, especially in housing. Entry-level roles would normally start around £28,000, but a senior investigator can earn up to £48,000, and the top specialists are at £90,000. Degrees don't matter here. What matters is fairness, objectivity, and clear writing. So, to stand out, take short courses in mediation or advanced communication skills, and platforms like Udemy or Coursera have plenty of these. Search complaints officer or customer resolution officer if you're looking for a job. And most of these jobs, even better, are fully remote or hybrid. With like 2 years experience, you'll be ready for senior pay. So the next one is policy advisor. Policy advisors help organizations from charities to government make smart, evidence-based decisions. So your job is to research issues, write reports and recommendations, and what next the company should do. Policy assistant roles start around 30 grand a year, and experienced advisors can earn up to 52 grand a year. The senior roles make up to 75k, especially in the government, and this is more about insight, so your lived experience is often a huge advantage. If you want to boost your CV, get Prince 2 Foundation certification in policy management, and it's really good for policy work. For roles, look for policy assistant or junior researcher. And if you're lucky enough to already be in the civil service, the fast stream route can take you to 55 grand a year roles very quickly. The 7th role and the final one on the list is the strategy assistant or junior consultant role. Consultants are paid problem solvers. Companies hire them to analyze their challenges and build solutions for them. An entry-level analyst role can start from around 52 grand plus bonuses. And if you're a senior consultant, some of them are hitting 100k mark. It is really competitive, but it's still possible without a degree, and let me tell you how. Get certified in data analytics, which is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. That is always a great one to go for. Add Prince 2 Project Management on top, and together these two can make your CV stand out big time. For roles, search junior analyst or business support or strategy assistant. Once you're in the role, learn fast, build your portfolio, and watch your income rise. So, my people, there you have it. 7 high-paying UK jobs that you can get without a degree. Compliance officer, housing manager, procurement manager, cybersecurity analyst, senior complaints investigator, policy advisor or junior consultant. Your journey to the UK was just the first step. Please don't let anyone tell you you are not qualified. Your resilience, your experience, your hustle. That is your qualification, my people. The traditional path isn't the only one. We can't all be lawyers and doctors. Pick one of these roles that excites you and start researching entry-level openings today. Update your CV. Highlight those transferable skills because everybody has them. And that career you thought was out of reach, it might just be a few smart applications away. As usual, thanks for watching, and if this has helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos to help build the career you deserve, not just for you but for others, and make sure you share it with anybody you think might be interested. I'm IJ from Afro Mom Abroad. Thank you again for watching and see you at the next video. Bye.